Ari ne muthi wa unduire tariki ari ne 10 mweri ari wa kimera kia mwere ngai kugeithia na ngai kunyita ugeni na njaya mwanya omakiria guku ari metha-ini ya Muthingi TV gikunjiro kia mohoro niguo ngikumenyithie ni mariko makeyumirite itulitiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya no mbere ndajitikiria twiko tukiamukira mamwe ma maria kuhaririirie. Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto gutanyo gutongoria ukungwiri wa muthi wa unduire nyumba-ini ya Bomas muciĩ-ini wa Nairobi. Andu eri gukua ikoromani Kakamega thutha wa kwaga riera kware-ini imwe ya wenji wa mahiga ma goro. Na amwe a ambunge gukirira itanya ria Minister Florence Bore ria kuhingwo kwa mĩciĩ kĩũmbe ya uramati wa ciana. Na no kinyitanira na njira ya imwe kwa imwe kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria kwa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV no ukindumire ndomereri yaku kinjire hihi mwagikaga tene ningi kwamukira aria kwa ni Mwangi wa Murugina tukianjirie na maria tugikwaririe ni ati ari ni muthi wa unduire kana wa ukungwira muthi wa unduire kana Huduma Day. Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto ni agitanyitwo ikorwo agitongoria ukungwiri uyu nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya Bomas guko muciĩ-ini wa Nairobi. Ni muthi uria waikorio ugicenjio ritwa na gukorwo na kana uria waikoragwo ugitwo Moidi no ndi ugikorwo ugicenjio ritwa na gwitwo Utamaduni kana Huduma no ndi ugicoka ningi ugicenjio ugitwo Utamaduni. Na ukungwiri uyu no ugithite na mbere matura-ini matiganite na kuria andu mokana na kuria muingi kaunti-ini ya Turkana ukinyitanire hari ukungwiri uyu.
Sema kutoka Burundi, kutoka Southern Sudan, unaona mtu ambaye amevaa hizi majingi hapa chini anafanya rhythm fulani drama kutoka Burundi anajiunga naye. Ni kama tuna enzi utamaduni wetu. We are digging deep into where we have come from and we are creating something new. Ni kitu poa sana, itaendelea kuenea. Kama Waafrika wanaweza kujiunga pamoja, tutengeneze huu muziki, we will be feared the world over. When these people start to play their drums, you feel the courage, you feel where we are going as a continent.
Tulikuwa na tumika, tulikuwa na siasa, tunaonyesha watoto culture mbele. Wakati ambayo corona alikuja, aliharibu kile maneno. Sasa makalcha zote lilala. Lakini sasa hii Kakumaso na ameamsha kila culture, kila aina ya culture. Na ana support, anaangalia kila mahali, kile sehemu ambaye makalcha ziko. Anasema kila mahali ambaye onyesha talents yake ya culture onyesha. Tuko pirisa hii kwa bila ambaye Kakumaso anafanya. Tena serikali ya Kenya pia anachunga sisi.
Tugitigane na icio ciĩgiĩ ũkũngũĩri wa muthi wa utamaduni tukirongoreria ciĩgiĩ riboti ĩngĩ na nĩ atĩ ambunge amwe magitongorio nĩ mũmbunge wa gĩcigo gĩa Kandui nĩwe John Makari nĩ makĩonekete gũkĩregana na ta ũĩkaine ta Florence Bore rĩa kuga atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩgũkorwo ĩkĩhinga mĩciĩ ya ũramati wa ciana na ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩramatwo nĩ andũ kĩũmbe. Kũringana na mũmbunge ũyũ augĩte atĩ ikinya rĩrĩ rĩa gwĩcũngĩrĩra hathara nene kuona atĩ thirikari ndĩgĩkoretwo ĩkĩigĩte wega gũtigĩrĩra nĩ yagĩkorwo ĩkĩhĩmbĩria na gũteithia kana ciana iria igĩkoragwo ikĩramatĩrwo mĩciĩ ĩno.
Hawawezi kufunga vile vituo kwa sababu vile vituo vilianzia kwa sababu fulani. There was a need, there was a purpose why they were established. Hata kule bunge tuko na mswada ule ambao tunataka kusukuma hata siku ya Jumatano. Tunataka vituo vingi zaidi viweze kufunguliwa ili waweze hao watoto ambao waweze kupelekwa kule waweze kutibiwa, kuangaliwa sawa sawa. Sasa mimi sikubaliana na yeye na waziri hadi vituo vile vifungwe. Kwa sababu vilifunguliwa kwa sababu fulani. Na ile sababu ambayo ilifanya vikafunguliwa hiyo sababu haijatimilika bado. Bado tuna changamoto nyingi sana. Kwa hivyo mimi sikubaliana na yeye kwa hivyo vituo viweze kufungwa.
Nao anyiti itemi sekta-inĩ ya mathomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ magĩcakaĩte wongerereku wa ciĩko cia wohi wa nda cia tene orodumwe na murimo wa mukingo kuri airetu athe wa ukuru wa miaka 10 nginyagia 14 makeria mari mucemanio-ine hamwe uria kana uretanitwo ni gikundi kia NSDCC mwena wa mbere ya rugongo anyiti itemi sekta-ini ino ni ya githomo maugite ati arutwo amwe magaikorwo magikarira kigeranio kiao gia gibũrũri mari thibitari-ini na ni kigeranio kiria gikoretwo gitanyo kana gitanyitwo gikorwo gikiambiriria thiko nini njuku.
It's a realization that 65% of the children who are on the rate of this HIV infection, teen pregnancy and single gender-based violence are in our education pipeline.
When we talk about the teenage pregnancies and especially young, we have statistics in our office. And the statistics are not happy, they are not very happy, just as the regional coordinator told us. When we have 2,000 cases of children who are pregnant being reported in our health facilities, I would say that's about, even a good view about 40%.
The same applies to the issues of early pregnancies. Early pregnancies is also a threat to education. And when I'm going to school, right, that during the examination, we tend also capture data on those students, those candidates who are pregnant, and we get a lot of challenges. I've seen in your data, you are talking of the age of 10 to 14. These are preteens.
Because most of the times, as we take the exams to the schools, we are also taking exams to all hospitals in Embu. Embu Level 5, Ishara, Kieni Hospital, everywhere. Because our girls are there from both KCPE and KCSE. Because we realize that these students pregnancy, majority of the ages, the girls who are affected, they are school-aged children.
Hiwanda cia tene kuri arutwo na ritu kirongore riboti egie kana ikaya aria maikaraga na mawathe na ni ati andu aria maikaraga na mawathe hamwe na aciari orondumwe na ciana ciao ni magicaka kuna njira nene undu uria maugite ati makoretwo magikio na nja na makeria hari tabarira itiganite cia uthii wa na mbere ni gukiri uguo ni makaite kana ni maikitie mateta kurumirira o gukorwo makiimwo kwiyandikithia rungu rwa watho wa kugitira andu aria kana wandikithia uria urathiaga na mbere aritie kana makoretwo makiaria na andiki a mohoro kanitha-ini wa ACK St Philips kuria moritie thirikari gukorwo ikiigwa mukayo wao na gutigirira ati ni yake mahe orondumwe kana mieke orondumwe na orondumwe na mieke itiganite ya mawira ota aria angi matagikoragwo na mawathe.
Sasa ningeomba serikali wakati inaandika Inua Jamii program au kama cash transfer program ijaribu consider watoto, kwa sababu ile yenye wamekuwa wakiandika walikuwa wakikataza watoto kuwa they don't qualify, but in real sense autism ni ulemavu ambayo ni severe disability. Ningependa kuongelelea serikali kama kwa mashule zetu ambazo penye tunapeleka hao watoto waweze kuelimisha wale walimu wafanye hata refresher courses about hizi disability, kwa sababu unapata mashule nyingi including private school hawaelewi hii disability ambayo inaitwa autism. Kwa hivyo kama wangewafanyia walimu refresher courses ili waweze kuelewa watoto.
Office of the CEO, then it gets come from there, it will go to the office of the director of medical, who usually is being seen on every.
Kwa hivyo tafadhali serikali yetu muweze kuhakikisha kwamba wanafunzi kama hao wanapatiwa bursaries ili nao waweze kusoma, kwa sababu tunasema kwamba disability is not inability, wanaweza kuwa watu ambao ni wa kutegemewa.
If you lose part of your body, that is a disability, yes. But now, if you are maybe your finger has gotten cut, doesn't mean that you have.
Yetu ni kuomba serikali iweze kuangalia kuleta maofisa wale ambao wanafanya katika hizi idara ambao ni maofisa ambao hawapendi ufisadi, maofisa ambao tunasema their value systems ziko mzuri ili tusaidia watoto wetu. Hata isikiendea kuwa hivi itakuwa ngumu sana kupata usaidizi.
Umepanga mwenye anaongea?
Nimemaliza.
Nakuo gukirite kieha kana ituria kieha gicigo-ini mbunge kana itura-ini ria Masienze gicigo-ini mbunge kia Ikoromani ntini ya Kakamega, na ni thutha wa AG a mahiga magoro guikorwo magikuira irima-ini rimwe riria ni ria uriku wa fiti igana rimwe ria 50 kware-ini imwe ya weji wa mahiga magoro. Kuririkana ati aya maragikuire kumana na gukorwo makiaga riera riu ritana rigeikio kuri AG a mahiga na makiria kware-ini ici guikorwo makihuga riri bururi ugitanyitwo gukorwo ukiamukira mbura nene ya El Nino ni ritana riria rikitio ni mubunge wa gicigo kiu Bernard Shinyari hamwe na mujumbe wa DA Charles Lwanga. Meri ya acio riu ni kirutitwo irima-ini riu na gutwarwo thibitari-ini wa kuiga meri ya akuo wa rifaro wa Kakamega.
Jambo ningependa kusema ni hili. Tafadhali vijana wale mnafanya hiyo mining, whether mko chini ya wawekezaji wale investors ama mko peke yenu, tulieni kidogo, wacha mzimu wa mvua iende, alafu hapo nyuma hapo mbele karibu Disemba muanzishe tena hii mkakati ya kufanya mining. Saa hii is very dangerous, ni hatari sana.
Kia tu habari mwendo wa saa 5:30 ati ameanguka kwa simu ya court, na sijui kama amekufa. Ako na pipi na ako na watoto wawili. Naomba serikali inisaidie kwa sababu siwezi kulisha watoto, sina uwezo.
Nichukue tu nafasi hii tena niseme ya kwamba pole kwa zile familia tumepoteza watu wetu wawili hapo Masienze tukiwa tunajitafutia hali ya maisha. Naomba serikali yetu, serikali kuu iangalie jinsi inaweza saidia watu wetu haraka na ili waweze kupata vifaa zifaazo, ndio wakiingia kwa mambo ya mining, artisanal mining, wawe na hizo vifaa.
In as much as mwananchi wa kawaida na ngangana, serikali pia inatufail because una realize they are demanding more about the licenses na hakuna chenye hiyo pesa inasaidia mwananchi.
Na kuma goko metha-ini ya Muthingi TV tugakihoera family cia eri acio thayo makiri ihinda riri marakigerera kigiriko gia gutigwo ni endu wao. Na riboti yo kuma kaunti ya Kakamega ni iragituhe mweke tugikorwo tugikiria oro hanini ngagikuririkania githii na mbere na kwaraniria nani kugera mutambo witũ wa Facebook ndagikuria we ni kaundu kariko hihi urakiririkana kana ungikorwo ukiriria karia gekagwo no indi ni gagikorwo gigatiganirio kurumirira andu kuhimbiria nduriri ingi. Araniria nani na ni ngwikorwo ngigutambura njitikiria oro hanini ndugathiore mitambo ya munini ndiragicokeria na mangi maingi.
Mutorera-ini uyu ni gutongana na andu mithemba yothe, anini, akuru, akeni na amwe maihoretwo ni ihoru. No haria yothe gutire utari karugano gake ka gikeno, kieha kana matina mundu anakiruka.
Ta mwana ni ndatwikire so embarrassed na hau ni ndakorirwe no tho mwingi muno towards my mom.
Ndakimenya ngoma nake tikihi. Ndakimenya nake ngoma tikihi.
Nikio nie Njeri wa Mwangi tukite na tafarira ya rugano rwaku kagia na kamweke ga gutwira maria wanagerera na githomo kiria wathomire kuri macio mothe. Ni o Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
nako kaguru karime gatihana kari muhu nake mumagari niyo nagira
ndutaga wira wa kwendia hema migeka na ngonia kino wira wa ndiaga na goko niyo
nitutamburaga kio gitu na thabari itu miethere-ini
akai kunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV
nikio nitugicemanagia o kiumia tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri tũrĩ na mwĩhang'ĩri witũ agĩtũtirithia thabarĩ yake kinya hau akinyĩte
yandĩkwo nĩ mũthuri wĩho andĩkĩtwo gĩbanda kĩ harĩa rũgongo
nĩ o gũkũ ceceni-inĩ ya Muthingi TV na niĩ Mwangi wa Mũrugi.
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ amu Muthingi TV nĩ irakuhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tuhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0777 572 358 kana ũtwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
na nitwagicokereria Ngai kunyita ugeni oro ringi twiko tugithie na mbere na maria tugikuhaririirie guku ari metha-ini ya Muthingi TV gikunjiro kia mohoro na riu ndirakenda tukihiuke nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Turkana na ni ati kaunti ino ya Turkana ni gikoretwo ikioikaine na njira nene kurumirira kana kurumirira na ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri oro ndumwe na ng'aragu no inde itora ria Kapero nikimwambitie gukorwo rikiamukira uthio mweru kumana na rio gukorwo rikimuciria ari kumana na rweru mwena rwetwo na mai mahiu mwena uyu kuringana na aikari mwena uyu magite ati makiroka ho orucini tene gukorwo magithamba na gukenera mai mahiu uria makoretwo magitikia ati nigikoragwo na uhoti wa gukorwo makihonio kana mai makihonia mirimu itiganite gukiri uguo governor wa county ino niwe wa county ino ya Turkana nigikitie ritana kana uikaine ta Jeremia Lomurukai nigikitie ritana kuri thirikari gutigirira ati ni yakigithia hari ugendi makiria kuona ati ni ikinya ringitigirira ni county ino oro ndumwe na gukuria wonjoria wa bururi.
Karibu hapo. Na hiyo maji.
Ndio ndio ni yao. Unaona hii waterfall, kuna waterfall ingine hapo juu. Haya maji yote inakuwa pamoja, inaenda mpaka kule chini pande ya Kamge, mali inaitwa Baria Suguta. Kutoka hapo inaingia ndani ya milima, inatokea siwa la Turkana.
These resources are ours. We have the Department of GDC. We are asking them, we are requesting them to actually try to help the people of Turkana County tap into this resource so that we can also get revenue for our county, get revenue for our national government, because such resources are both for the national government and for the county.
Wale wageni wanatoka sehemu mbalimbali, Nairobi,
tunataka kuhakikishia kwamba Kapedo na maeneo ya Kapedo na yanayokaribiana tumeweza kuimarisha usalama. Watembee Kapedo, wajionee Kapedo, wajionee mandhari ya Kapedo. Kuna sehemu nzuri za utalii na waje hapa waweze kutangamana na wananchi wa Kapedo. Kuna usalama ya kutosha, wako huru, wako free, waje watembee.
Tugitigane na riboti iyo kuma kaunti ya Turkana tukirongorerie kaunti ya Pokot, na ni ati ubarothi wa bururi wa Sweden ni ukiranire kunyitanira na thirikari ya kaunti ya Pokot ya ithuriro niguo gutigirira ni makigacirithia miturire ya aikari mwena uyu na makiria aria ni arithi na njira ya kuherehe tabarira ngurani cia uthii wa na mbere niguo kunyihanyihia ngui gatagati ka aikari mwena uyu na makiria aria ni arithi. Caroline Vicini akiaria thutha wa gucera gucokia thayo gatagati ka aikari mwena uyu nikio gitumi kinene gia tabarira ici gutwarithio na mbere.
The Swedish government has decided to continue this because of the particularly difficult situation here. But we do that in different ways through different programs aiming at resilience, climate resilience and adaptation. Programs helping in agriculture to develop agricultural value chains. Also to help to inform people, even young people, on climate change and the change of the environment and the need to preserve the biodiversity. And we have several programs also on peace and democracy and human rights, which are quite important for people to enjoy rights as citizens of Kenya.
You'll find that the same program is targeting the livelihoods of people, especially mitigating against climate change. And as people with Pokot, we want to say that the effects are positive because capacity building, especially to our women, and capacity building on issues of education, so that our people also change their livelihoods from retrogressive ways of living, issues of governance, and as the ambassador has put it, it is a holistic approach through integrated programs that are the Swedish.
Na tugagicokereria na wanake igwa rugambi rugakimenya hatiri undu ungi tiga gukiruga nginya kuri haro-ini naguo tugagikia kabiro uria maundu marakirio ngana ni ati timu ya mubira wa maguru umwena wa Armenio Harambee Stars ni makirikitie kana ni maraikorirwo magikinya mucii-ini wa Antalya bururi-ini wa Turkey na ni mbere ya mbitika ya kiurata iria magitanyitwo kuhumburana na timu kuma bururi wa Russia. Ni mbitika imwe ya gukorwo makigacirithia mehariria mao mbere ya mbitika cia kana cia gutetera tigiti gukorwo makiingira mbitika-ini cia thĩ yothe. Na kĩo kĩama kĩramataga kagigo bũrũri-inĩ kĩa Football Kenya Federation ni kiambikite mathomo ma thikũ igĩrĩ kũrĩa kana kũrĩ arũgamĩrĩri umemerekia kuma ligi-inĩ ya Nyarari ya Women Premier League na National Super League kũrĩa mathomo marambĩrĩirie mũthenya wa ira mũkawa-inĩ wa Sportsview. Muoroto wa mathomo maya arĩ nĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ligi ici cia Nyarari nĩ ciakĩambĩka ũthiũ mwerũ na mũrũmu nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria.
So many years, nyuma huko, women football has never been visible. Women football started peaking and having visibility from 2016, and it has gone up. Now we thought it is right and good to educate the clubs on how they can make their brands visible, on how they can talk about what they're doing with the girls in their clubs, how they can brand themselves, put themselves outside there on social media and even higher platforms so that they can be visible and eventually get partnerships working with them. We've realized that some of these the clubs are doing much more than just bringing girls together to play football. And FKF has reorganized football as a whole.
By having this session like for the media officers, it's really important because it's a working relationship between the two stakeholders. That's the federation, the FKF, and the clubs. And this is not only the clubs again because they hold the players. So once the club communicate on what's happening down there in their leagues, apart from their fixtures and their standing, we also want the whole nation and the whole football lovers to understand who the players are and what they're doing. So by doing this in general, we are targeting on how the FKF Women's Premier League, we can be able to be packaged, because as a package that is the whole stakeholders being involved, that's the media, the clubs, the fans and the federation. It's a plus because once we all come together we can be able to sell a product, and that is the Women Premier League or the Division 1, and we can be able to get a sponsor, because we've been crying daily like people are not doing. It's not the work only for the federation, but it's a work unanimously. Let's come together and push this agenda forward in developing the women's football. So these sessions is going to be a plus for the clubs.
The one I will speak on my team's side. So what I've noticed is there are gaps in sharing information about the players. People want to feel like they're on the same page with the players in terms of they're human. They also do things that the normal people do. That connection, if there's that connection between the audience and the fans with the players, then it will grow our visibility. And also just getting to know your team better, getting them to also making sure that sometimes we don't even check if those team members actually follow the team page or actually promote whatever we post. So apart from that, there's many other things that we've learned, and I'm going back with knowledge. I'm going back to put these things in practice, and I hope to see an improvement, and I hope the rest of us are also gaining. Yeah.
Nakio kirabu kia Bidco ari neke mweke iria cihutagia kagi mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia Kenya Premier League marakorirwo makiganithia mũthĩ wa ira magĩthaka na timu ya Bandari, na kũrĩa marakorirwo makĩmahota na bao 2-0 mbĩtĩka ĩrĩa irakĩhutĩirio kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kasarani Annex.
Namna tulivyocheza leo sijafurahi kabisa. Ndio mchezo wa kwanza tumecheza kutoelewana. Pasi zilikuwa zendi mahali palipodhamiriwa. Kulikuwa kuna movement nzuri mbele ili forwards. Naona chances pia nafasi zimekuwa ngumu kutengeneza.
Nasema bao za kichali sana. But lazima tungerudi pale tuangalie ni wapi tuliconsider, sababu tulifungwa mabao individual mistakes. But kidogo kiangalia level ya timu imecheza imekuwa a better team in terms of organization. Bandari tulijua watakuja hivyo na kuanza mechi kwa kasi. Sisi tukaamua tu sit back, tukajaribu tuwapate na either set pieces ama hizo ma quick breaker. Naona kipindi cha kwanza kidogo mpira zote zenye zilikuwa zinaingia kwa attacking third yetu zilikuwa very dangerous balls. And then having that first half tulikuwa tunafunga mabao mawili again, na Bandari tulijua bado second half watakuja wakiwa juu tena, maana alikuwa anatafuta hizo mabao. Tulichukua a defensive approach.
Namna tulivyocheza leo sijafurahi.
Na riboti iyo ĩgiĩ mbĩtĩka cia Bidco kana timu ya Bidco ikorwo makĩganithia kuri timu ya Bandari niyo yagĩtwĩkĩra gaturumo ka marĩa tũgĩkorwo tũgĩkũmathĩra na tũgĩcokanĩrĩria gũkũ metha-inĩ ya Mũthingi TV arĩ gĩkũnjĩro kĩa mohoro. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra kũnyitanĩra nani oro ũndũ ũmwe na gũtwĩhokera wĩroreri waku ngĩkwĩra ndikĩoyaga akĩrĩ ũndũ wa kawaida njĩtĩkĩrie ngĩkorwo ngĩthoma imwe cia ndũmĩrĩri wakĩndũmĩra kũgerera mũtambo witũ wa Facebook mũndũ gwĩtwo ti Ben Mwangi wa Mbui wa Njaũ na Kamau Mũcenangu mothe nĩ inyuĩ ndagĩtua ambassador kana baraũthi a utamaduni ndĩ gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV metha-inĩ ya gĩkũnjĩro kĩa mohoro na itanakiumĩra njĩtĩkĩrie ngĩgũtige na thimo ĩmwe kwĩragwo atĩ Kĩambu kĩgũranĩire na Njemo wega gũthiaga na rĩti yaku nĩ wega gũthiaga na ihenya rĩaku tiga na arĩa makinyire mbere kana arĩa marateng'era we nĩ wega gũthiaga na ihenya rĩaku. Kĩambu gĩakĩgũranĩire na Njemo gĩthiaga na gũcema no rĩndĩ ĩyo nĩyo yatũmire gĩkegũranĩra. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno tũgĩcemania rĩrĩa cirĩkĩhanda thaa imwe cia hwaĩ-inĩ ngĩkũmenyithia mangĩ marĩa magĩkorwo makĩyumĩrĩtie na magĩkunũka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno kũrĩ arĩa makinyanĩire mũtambũrũko ũyũ wa mohoro. Mũndũ gwĩtwo ti wa Mbui wa Njaũ na andĩkĩtwo othe a mohoro mũndũ gwĩtwo ti Mwangi Peris niwe mwerekeri wakwa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo ti Ben niwe uma mũhũri wa mbica nake Litaka niwe mũndũ wa graphics. Tukiuge atĩa ciahanda thaa imwe cia hwaĩ-inĩ rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Mũrugi.